Gabie Desales, and I would like to share my racing journey with you. I started in the motorsports industry back in 2015 through the AAP Motorsports Development Program. And before the pandemic hit, I was lucky and blessed enough to be able to represent the Philippines in Indonesia and Taiwan for slalom racing. So today we are here to install the DTE PedalBox and PowerControl on my Nissan Navara to prepare the car for my next trail adventure. I use the Navara for light trails, and just like any car, it has some delays in terms of throttle response, and I want to add more power to it. We're now going to install the DTE PedalBox and PowerControl. The DTE PedalBox improves the throttle response of the car by eliminating throttle delay resulting in delay-free acceleration. The DTE PowerControl optimizes the engine and increases the power up to 32 horsepower and 85 Nm of torque for the Nissan Navara. The PowerControl is paired with my smartphone via Bluetooth, applicable for both Android and Apple. I can adjust the modes with just my smartphone. It also gives me a live viewing of the RPM, acceleration, and speed. Okay. Naramdam ko na yung difference sa dynamic tsaka sa sport. Saya ng sport. Sport na lang yung tuloy-tuloy pag di traffic. Masaya siya yung sport, parang kapag mag-overtake ka, hindi ka talaga kakabahan, ganon. After taking the Navara for a drive, I highly recommend the DTE PowerControl and PedalBox for all drivers regardless of what car you're driving. To know more about the DTE chip tuning, you can visit Autoclinic Group on their social media pages. You can visit them on Autoclinic Group PH on Facebook, Autoclinic Singapore on YouTube, and Autoclinic Group on Instagram.